What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fake Boujie. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an install and review with LuvMe hair. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but let's get right into it. Alright, so this is how the hair came. Love their packaging. And so they sent some goodies as well. So in this cute little LuvMe pouch, it had a cute scrunchie. They also sent some eyelashes, which have 2 pair in it. And then you also get these cute nails. And I thought it was cute to make them purple. Some diamond hoop earrings. A pop socket, I think that's what it's called, for the back of your phone. It's so cute. A 3-part comb and an information card with all their social media and website and care instructions for the hair. And this is the beautiful hair. And the hair that they sent to me is the mixed color highlight middle part lace closure wig. And I got mine in the straight with 18 inches. They also sell it in body wave. And just a little bit of background information. This is 100% virgin hair from one donor, which is super important. They already guarantee that it will last more than a year. It's 180% density. It is color 1B and 27. It can be dyed. The straps are adjustable. And it is a Swiss medium brown lace, and the lace closure section is 2 by 6 inches. And I love all of the adjustments they have on it. I love that they have lace on the back as well. And you get the side straps, you get the band that goes around your head, and you also get about 4 combs. So this part and this wig is not going anywhere once you have it installed on your head. And I'm going to show you all a glueless install with this wig. So first I'm going to just cut the lace off the back, because it's kind of difficult to do it, once you have it on your head. And I'm also going to still use a wig cap, even though I'm not using glue to install it. You still want to try to make sure that the part is as invisible as possible. So I'm just going to go through the usual process of doing the wig cap, except I'm going to cut a little section in the middle. And this is just a little trick that I use. And I'm just going to basically tuck the sides in so that the wig cap stays in place. If you cut the entire elastic off, it won't stay. But just putting a little slit in it gives you room to have the closure sit properly on your head without that thick elastic part. And just tucking it in just makes it so much easier. And by wearing the wig cap, even though you're not using glue or Gatsby or anything like that, you're still protecting your hair from the actual wig. So this is just a nice little trick that I use that I found very helpful. I wanted to share with you all. So of course I'm still going to use my concealer or foundation, whatever you want to choose, in my skin tone to help blend the lace on the wig. And like I told you all before, just tucking the sides in so that they don't show once the wig is placed on my head. And I love LuvMe hair so much already because the install process is simple. I'm just putting the elastic band around the back of my head, and then I'm taking the wig and just flipping it over. And then once I have it flipped over, I secured the comb in the back. And then just like literally that was it. And I pulled the sides down to make sure they were in place. And this is literally the quickest install I've ever had. What was that, like 20 seconds? Not even that, 15 seconds. And so just to make sure everything is good, I'm going to use my wax stick and just brush that down just to make sure that, the area around the part is melted and laid. And I did not pluck this part. I didn't tweeze it. I didn't do anything to the part. I just left it as is. And look at how beautiful this is, y'all. Like, simplest install ever. So if you're not good at installing wigs or anything like that, but you want to get into wearing them, definitely try this hair. And I just also wanted to show you all that the lace is so undetectable. And I was really excited to do this collaboration with LuvMe Hair because it was glueless. And as you all know, I do a lot of hair collaborations. but I've noticed that it's starting to irritate the edges of my hair. So the fact that this was glueless, I'm actually protecting my edges and the rest of my hair. I don't have to worry about losing any hair to traction or anything, glue, nothing. Like, my hair is completely secure, edges are safe. You can just throw this wig on and go. It has a beautiful natural sheen to it, and it literally looks like your scalp when you put it on. It is so beautiful. I didn't have any shedding. And yeah, I did actually wash this hair. I always wash my hair when I first get it. So even through that process, there was no shedding. Everything was just amazing with this hair. Like, I can really honestly give a good review and brag on this hair just because, one, how simple the install was, two, I didn't really have to do anything to the wig, and three, it's just beautiful. It's one donor and you can actually tell. The hair is so bouncy, it's so full, and it's just so gorgeous. I've been wearing it as of now when I'm doing this voiceover for you all for about 2 weeks. Just to let you all know, it's been 2 weeks in between the voiceover and when I first put this wig on my head. And when I tell y'all, like, still no issues, like literally none. This hair, I cannot brag on it enough. Definitely going to try more of their hair because I did see some things on the website that I really liked, and I'm going to link it below for you guys. But definitely check them out. Their website is shop.luvemehair.com. I will have all of that information listed below in the description box, as well as if they give me any discount code and the link to this actual wig so that you all can get this too. So if you want something nice, something with one donor, something with body, something that's going to last, that's not a one night only wig, make sure you all check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, stay bougie.